If you're like most people right now, you either have a current business or you're looking to develop a business. If you're really focused and you can really figure out what it is that you want to do or find out different avenues, either taking your current business to the next level or how to build your brand online, you got to get focused and you have to really get into a support group that of other people, which is sometimes challenging to find those people that are on your same path. My name is Manfre. I've been in entrepreneurship the majority of my life. I love basically sharing, teaching, and coaching individuals over the course of my years because I find, just like myself, I was not privileged to have a mentor, coach, trainer, someone basically teaching me every step of the way in my younger years. And I really tell my story to really help inspire individuals to really want to take the time that it does require to learn new skills to be able to make a 6-7 figure income.